great dream of the renaissance of an ancient nation. A good wish for the rise of hometown cities. A grand vision of an intelligent manufacture enterprise. Intelligent manufacturing creates dreams. Datong Reciprocity Group Company Limited. As a high-tech enterprise integrating the whole industry chain, Datong Reciprocity Group Company Limited is mainly engaged in the research, development, production, and sales of valves. We operate Made in China 2025 Smart Factory, which integrates products, information, data, Internet of Things, and artificial intelligence. The group focuses on the foundation of Smart Factory, integrates the industrial control communication interface based on the IoT gateway, stores the production and test data into the cloud, and accelerates the multi-directional intelligent communication of production data, orders, and stored data in the 6 areas of IoT automation, intelligent monitoring, touchscreen, virtual environment, process automation, and cloud data integration. It promotes the worldwide marketing of products and facilities, the perfect combination of information technology and traditional production technology. The group has established the Academician Workstation headed by Liu Bai-chung, an academician of the Chinese Academy of Engineering and a professor of the School of Mechanical Engineering of Tsinghua University, and hired Master of Mechanical Engineering from Polytechnic University of Milan in Italy, and senior valve casting team in Taiwan to form an R&D team. Relying on its strong research and development strength, LNG cryogenic ball valve, globe valve, gate valve, butterfly valve, and subsea ball valve, and other innovative products have been developed. We are the first in China to develop LNG cryogenic valves, -196 degrees Celsius, subsea valves, 4,000 meters, and we have successfully replaced imported valves with our homemade valves, and even imported some products to foreign countries. In June 2018, the group jointly developed the first real-time simulation equipment for cryogenic valves in China with Hefei General Machinery Research Institute. The project once again broke through the technical barrier of valve industry in China, providing low-temperature valves with a practical verification platform in the harsh operating conditions. The group has been rated as a national high-tech enterprise, a scientific and technological enterprise in Fujian Province, and the expert workstation of Liu Bai-chung was awarded the Academician Workstation Fujian Province. As early as the establishment, the group implemented intelligent and refined production. Currently, it has set up professional valve production base, professional foundry, professional forging factory, and valve automatic control equipment factory. It has hundreds of imported high-precision CNC machining centers and CNC lathes to carry out refined processing on the products. In the key parts of the valves, the precision is controlled with micron scale, ensuring stable and reliable product quality. We are committed to building the intelligent production mode of China Industry 4.0 to replace workers with machinery. The group adopts the integrated application of ERP MES QMS management system and builds dozens of intelligent assembly lines such as automatic pattern making, casting, assembly, painting, and 3-dimensional storage. The workshop operators can enter program instructions on the computer, and the production orders will be released instantly. Quality is the lifeline of the group. Datong Reciprocal Group has realized monitoring the product data throughout whole process with our complete set of complete production lines, standardized operation with international standards, and a comprehensive quality management system. We have established the best professional quality inspection center, laboratory with CNAS certification, purchase imported spectrum analysis instruments, physical and chemical experimental equipment, non-destructive testing equipment, and improved ultra-low temperature performance simulation experimental equipment, large-scale flow testing equipment, fire testing equipment, endurance testing equipment, high-temperature stretching equipment, and ultra-low temperature impact equipment to provide customers with a stable and reliable source of supply. As a forerunner of Made in China 2025, Datong Reciprocity Group regards innovations the core, focuses on manufacturing digitalization, cyberization and intelligentization, and continuously strengthens the competitive advantage of production. We adopt the virtual reality technology to enable our customers to free themselves from geographical and time constraints and holographically experience and test products through AR plus VR plus MR. We continuously improve products and upgrade their quality through market data modeling and analysis of smart factories. Today's Datong Reciprocity Group has become a professional valve manufacturer that has attracted great attention in the industry. It is the first enterprise in China to pass the ISO 15848-1 micro-leakage highest level AH certificate issued by TÜV in Germany. It has passed the API 6D, 602, 600, 607, 608, 609, ISO 9001 Quality Management System Certification, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System Certification, OSHA 18001 Health Management System Certification, and TS, CE, SIL, and other well-known certifications, and passed the National High-Tech Enterprise Certification. It has been awarded the titles of Intelligent Manufacturing Pilot Demonstration Enterprise in Fujian Province, Intelligent Manufacturing Technology Center of Petrochemical High-End Valve Production Base, National Weapon Equipment Quality Management System Certification Enterprise, and National Integrating IT Application with Industrialization Management System Certification Enterprise. We position ourselves as a provider of whole set of industrial valve solutions, and we are committed to professional R&D, production, sales and service of industrial valves and special valves. Our valve products are widely applied in fields like petroleum, petrochemical, fine chemical, natural gas, electric power, urban construction and water treatment.
大通互惠集团已打造成为国际化集团，集高科技、智能化为一体的高端华文制造企业为目标，坚持为客户创造价值、分享价值，让我们的员工、企业与客户一同成长。我们用匠心打磨产品，用自己的技术走向世界。
In the future, we will continue to adhere to the business philosophy of trustworthiness, harmony, mutual benefit, and thoughtful service. We will stick to the quality policy of being down to earth and quality first. With an efficient and fast response mechanism, we will build a first-class brand and stand in the forefront of high-end valve technology companies in China. We will use our wisdom to create corporate legends and use our technologies to create a bright future.